Box number 4 was not much better. We're giving this one a D-. Welcome back for another video. Today's video is going to be a fun one. I have created scorecards for each of the 6 ThredUP DIY denim boxes that I purchased in the past. And I also have a 30-pound ThredUP DIY denim box that I will be opening at the end. If you've never heard of the ThredUP DIY denim boxes, basically ThredUP will put items into these boxes that either had flaws when they received them or that they tried to sell but were unable to sell. So over the past year and a half, I have purchased 7 boxes. Like I said, 6 of them I listed and have sold. Most of them I bought last spring, so almost exactly a year ago. And today I'm going to go through each of the 6 boxes that I've already listed and sold and tell you how those went and how much money I made and also what grade I would give each box. Okay, so let's get started. Wait, one more note. I will have a link to ThredUp's Rescue Box website in the description of this video. They lately have been sold out of these boxes, so you have to keep going back and checking their Rescue website to see when they refresh. They just put out new boxes yesterday, so I'm guessing that means it'll be a week or 2 before more come out. But just keep going back and checking that website if you end up wanting to buy a box. Okay, so box number 1. Let me pull up my scorecards. I'm going to put the scorecard on the screen. This was kind of fun creating these scorecards. Okay, box number 1. I bought my first box, my first ThredUP DIY denim box in September of 2018. At that time, it cost $20 with $6 shipping, and you got 20 pounds of jeans. You'll notice as I go through these boxes that they have increased their prices since September 2018. Okay, so I paid $26. I didn't have any discounts, and I got 20 pounds of jeans. And the jeans can be actual jeans. They could be jean shorts, a jean skirt, a jean shirt. Any jean item could be included. So in this box, I had 23 jean items. So my strategy with these boxes is that I will list anything that has a resale value of more than $15. Anything with less than a $15 resale value, I open up to you guys to buy for 2 for $10 or 3 for $15. I have gotten a lot of negative comments in past videos about this strategy, with a lot of people saying, why don't you list all of the jeans? So as you could see in the scorecard, I only listed 6 of the 23 items in the box. But for me, it's about time. If I have to spend time listing things that are only going to sell for like $10 and I'm hoping that they'll sell for $10, that's a lot of time invested for a low return. So with that time, I could be creating another YouTube video. I could go order some more boxes, only take out the good items, list those, and make a higher dollar per hour for my time. So that is my thought process, that I don't want to be spending time listing a bunch of stuff that might sell for $10. This experience that I've had is based on the strategy I use. So my strategy again is I list things that would sell for $15 or more, and then I sell anything less than that to you guys for 2 for $10 or 3 for $15. In each of these scorecards, I have included a section that assumes that you don't have an audience to sell things to, and would say if you would use my strategy but not have the $5 selling option, how much would you have made? Okay, let's get back to this box. So again, I pulled out 6 items to list. Of those 6 items, 5 of them have sold. And you can see down at the bottom, I have listed out what sold. So I sold a pair of J. Crew high-rise skinny jeans for $25, a pair of jeans from the brand Dittos for $20, a pair from Citizens of Humanity for $18, and then 2 Gap Always skinny jeans for $17 and $13. And then I still have a pair of jeans from this box for sale in my closet by the brand PRVCY Denim in a size 24, and those have not sold. And I've had them in a 3 for $20 sale for like at least 6 months now, and they still haven't sold. So I think that the issue with these jeans, they're really nice. They're a really nice pair of jeans. They're in perfect condition. They're like a nice color. The issue is this brand is extremely small. I don't even know if they currently sell things. So their jeans retail for like $200, but I don't think they have an audience. I don't think they have any brand recognition. So no one is looking for that brand. And then on top of that, it's a very small size. So yeah, so I listed 6, 5 sold, and then I did have 2 viewers who bought $5 jeans from that box, so I had $10 in sales from the $5 jeans. So in total, those items in that box I sold for $103. Poshmark took $21.62 in fees. I paid $26 for the box, and I profited $55.72, which comes out to a profit of $9.29 per item that I listed. Now, if you didn't have the $5 jean sales, you would have made a profit of $8.11 per jeans listed. If you did the same strategy as me, where you just took out those 6, listed those, and didn't list anything else, you would have made a profit of $8.11 per item that you listed. And then, of course, this is assuming then you just donate the rest of the jeans. All right, on to box number 2. I bought box number 2 at the beginning of 2019 in January. At that time, the price was the same as before, so it was still $20 plus $6 shipping for 20 pounds of jeans. I waited because I found out that they do discounts. So I don't know if they're doing discounts now because the demand is so high, but they usually are doing discounts. So I bought this when they had a free shipping discount. So I paid $20 because I had a free shipping. So again, $20, I got 20 pounds of jean items, and there were 21 items in the box. Of those 21, I pulled out 4 to list, and as you can see, I gave this box an A+. Down below, you can see what jeans I chose to list from that box. So obviously the winner here was I got a pair of new with tags mother jeans, and I sold them for $95. I also got a pair of Torrid jeggings that sold for $23, and a pair of Madewell jeans shorts that I sold for $22. There was also a pair of helmet laying jeans in there that still haven't sold for me. And the only thing I can think with these is that they're a size 24. They're a very small size again. But otherwise, I don't know why those haven't sold. I think I have them down to like $20 or $25 now, and still I'm not selling them. So I probably will relist those because I do think that's a brand with a large audience, people looking for that brand, and I just need to find the right buyer. So again, I gave that box an A+. Total sales price was $175.20. Poshmark fees were $36.40. I paid $20 for the box, and I made a profit of $118.80. My profit per item listed was $29.70. If I hadn't sold those 7 pairs of jeans for $5, then I would have made a profit of $22.95 per pair of jeans that I listed. Yeah, that was also a good box in terms of how many people bought $5 jeans, because I sold 7 pairs of jeans from that box to you guys. All right, box number 3 comes in with an F. This box was not good. So again, it was $26 for 20 pounds, and I had free shipping, so I only paid $20 for it. And I got 22 items in this box. However, they were not very good. So I pulled out 2 items from the box that I thought could sell for more than $15. However, neither of those 2 jeans have sold yet. So one is a pair of Joe's jeans. They're a size 26. I don't know why these haven't sold. I've sold like 6 or 7 pairs of Joe's jeans for between $15 and $35. And this pair is skinny style. They're in really good condition, and yet they're just sitting and nobody has bought them. And then the other was a pair of current Elliott jeans. However, they were a sample and they don't have a size tag in them. So I think that's why those are having a hard time selling. I think I have them listed at like $15 right now. And again, neither of those have sold. I did sell 4 pairs of jeans to you guys for $5 each. So in total, I sold $20 worth of jeans from this box. Poshmark took $4.50 in fees, because whenever I do the $5 sales, or the 2 for $10 or 3 for $15 sales, I put up listings on Poshmark, and so Poshmark does take fees out of the $5 jeans that I sell to you guys. So I paid $20 for the box, and so my total profit was a loss of $4.50. And that means per item listed, I lost $2.25. And if I didn't have the jean sale, if I didn't have the $5 jean sales, I would have lost $10 per item listed, which is a terrible hourly wage. Okay, so on to box number 4. So now you've seen the best and you've seen the worst. So we had the A+ box and the F box. Okay, box number 4 was not much better. We're giving this one a D-. So this one I bought in February of 2019. it was $20 with $6 shipping, but now they reduced it to only 15 pounds instead of 20 pounds. So it's $20 with $6 shipping, and I had a 20% discount code, so I got $4 off. For the 15 pounds, I got 14 jean items. Of those 14 items, I decided to list 4 of them, and since I've listed them, 3 have sold and 1 is still unsold. So all 3 of the items that I sold from this box sat for a really long time before they sold, and I had to significantly drop the price to sell them. So first is a pair of Paige jeans in this in the style the Peg Skinny. These were an older Paige tag, and I ended up selling them for $13. And then next were a pair of Hudson jeans. These jeans actually had holes by the pockets, but I listed them, disclosed the holes, and again, I had to keep dropping the price, but I did finally sell them for $10. And then was a pair of Mauve jeans, and again, I had to keep dropping the price, and I finally sold them for $10. I also listed a pair of overalls from this box. They were new with tags. They did have a flaw. And in the video where I opened this box, I said that Cara looks like an expensive brand. However, there were only 2 sold listings from this brand on Poshmark. So I had even said in the video, this seems to be a very niche brand. There might not be a lot of people looking for this, so I might have a hard time selling this brand. And as it turns out, over a year later, I still haven't sold those overalls. And I sold 1 pair of jeans at $5 to a viewer. So in total, the box sold for $38. Poshmark took $9.85 in fees. I paid $22 for the box, and I profited $6.16. This means per item that I listed, I made a profit of $1.54. If I hadn't had that one $5 jean sale, I would have made a profit of 54 cents per item listed. So this one's better. I didn't lose money, so I gave this one a D-. So not very good. All right, on to box number 5. So box number 5 is better. I gave it a B. At the time of box number 5, so I ordered this in April 2019, Poshmark raised their price from $20 with $6 shipping to $24 with $6 shipping for 15 pounds. So we went from, let's see. So we went from $20 with $6 shipping for 20 pounds to $20 with $6 shipping for 15 pounds to $24 with $6 shipping for 15 pounds. So they've been slowly increasing their prices since I started buying these. When I bought box number 5 in April of 2019, I paid $24 because I had a free shipping discount. This was for 15 pounds of jeans, and I got 16 items in the box. Of those 16 items, I chose 7 of them to list. So this is the most of any box that I decided to list. And of those 7, 5 have sold and 2 are currently unsold. So I sold 2 pairs of Rag & Bone leggings, one for $30 and one for $25. And I sold a pair of G-Star jeans for $20, a pair of BDG jeans for $17.20, a pair of Wit and Wisdom jeans for $13.20, and I sold 1 pair of jeans to a viewer for $5. And then I have 2 items from this box that still have not sold. One is a pair of Citizens of Humanity low-waist flare jeans, and the other is the same as that other box. I got another pair of Cara new with tags overalls, and again, those have not sold. So in total, I sold the items from this box for $110.40. Poshmark took $15.50 in fees. I paid $24 for the box, and I profited $63.10. So this means per item that I listed, I made $10.52. And if I take out the 1 pair of jeans that I sold to a viewer for $5, I made $9.93 profit per item. Okay, on to the last box, box number 6. Did I say that I gave that last box a B? So I gave it a B because this was passing. This was good, you know, $10 per item profit. I didn't have to source the items. I just got them and listed them. So I was happy with that and gave it a passing grade. Box number 6 I bought in June of 2019. Again, this one was $24 with $6 shipping, and I had a free shipping discount, so I paid $24. And it was 15 pounds of jeans, and I got 17 items. Of those 17, I chose 6 to list. I have sold 4 of them, and 2 are unsold. This is the box I most recently listed within the last few months. It sat for a while, so I just listed this a few months ago. And so I do think those last two will still probably sell. They just haven't had enough time to find the right buyer or for me to drop the price low enough. So I sold a pair of Revice jeans for $35, a pair of Big Star jeans for $25, a pair of American Eagle jeans for $22, and a pair of Lucky Brand Bermuda shorts for $15. The two items that are currently unsold from that box are another pair of American Eagle jeans, a pair of AG jeans. So in total, the items from this box sold for $97. Poshmark took $19.40 in fees. I paid $24 for the box, and I profited $53.60. So per item listed, I profited $8.93, and I did not sell any of these at $5 to viewers, so I would have made the same if I didn't do the $5 to viewer thing. Overall, I'm happy with these boxes. I think they're really fun to open and to see what you get. And again, because I only list the items that I think will have a high resale value, I'm still making a good hourly wage. For example, let's say that I can list 3 things in an hour and I'm profiting $9 per item listed. That's $27 per hour. Obviously, like, yeah, I think 3 items is pretty reasonable to take pictures, photograph, write up the listing, and then shipping is also time that you have to spend on that item. So if all that together, I can do 3 items and I make $9 per item, that's $27 per hour. If I make 50 cents per item, that's $1.50 per hour, not so good. But again, that's why I don't list everything, because you're gonna be just cutting into how much you're making per hour, and there's other things you can be doing with that time that will make you more money for the time you're spending listing those items. All right, please give this video a thumbs up if you guys liked the scorecards.